Okay, hey moms, how are you? I just want to hop on and say hello and remind you about the journal workshop series 101. I've got my beautiful notebook here. You can see it's got the birds and the flowers. I love to write in my journal, and this one is extra special. I'm ordering more. We sold out of them. And so you can see I've got like some drawings in there and my whole writing and everything else, because writing in a journal can be so amazing. And my 2-hour workshop is on May 5th, and it is going to be a workshop in which we are interactive. I'll also talk about prompts and why you should write in a journal, things you can write in a journal, what a journal does to you, how to manifest, so many things. I hope I can get it in the 2 hours. So sign up for the journal workshop. I'm going to put the link below. And if you have any questions, please DM me, because once I started writing in a journal, it just opened up so much more. And there are 3 things that every woman must do to enhance her life and to grow, and one of them is writing in a journal. The other 2 will be a secret until you join the course, but once you write a journal your journal, you open up so many avenues for yourself. And I know as we get older, like when I was younger, I didn't have time because the kids were home and I was like, what should I do this? But as I'm getting older, the journal is really become a sacred place where I can talk about my feelings and really get over my loneliness, because the kids are older, and it's helped me with routine and being organized. Because as you know, when the kids are young, we're always running around after them and we have time frames. When the kids are older and leave the house, sometimes our times are different. We can do it when we want and when whatever we want to eat, whatever we want to do. And so having a journal has really helped me focus and plan my day, and really given me self-confidence. And when I'm going through something like the quarantine right now, and I'm feeling anxious or stressed or worried, or I feel locked in and I don't like to be told what to do, or there's so many people at home, or some days I feel lonely, or I'm just going in the pantry, I turn to my journal and I write it down. And if I have dreams at night or feelings, I write it down so I can go back. It's also a place where you can keep your stuff and your secrets and your thoughts, and nobody's judging you, and it's all about you and your wonderful book. So join the journal workshop series 101, and if you join, you get a special gift, a surprise gift, which I will tell you after you join up. So I hope to see you in the workshop. There's limited spaces in the workshop. I don't have that many more left, I don't think. I have to check, but if you sign up, you will be the special one. So sign up, and hope to see you in the course.